Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to wake up in a country where the sun hits different, where the cities are full of color, music, and opportunities, and where, as an African, you can enter without a visa, live comfortably, and even apply for a work permit that can lead to residency? Well, that's exactly what I discovered when I met a Ghanaian guy named Michael in Panama City last year. His story shocked me. He entered without a visa, stayed legally, got a work contract in hospitality, and today he's on the path to permanent residency. That was the moment I told myself Africans need to hear about this. And that's exactly why we're here today. This Owafk from Owafk, Africa. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now, because here we talk about real relocation pathways you can apply yourself. No agents, no consultants, no wasted money. And if you have questions at any point, drop them in the comments. I reply to as many as I can. All right, let's start from the beginning. Section 1. How I discovered the secret pathways into South America. Let me take you back to the moment this whole discovery began. I was at a cafe along the waterfront in Panama City last year. A group of African workers, Nigerians, Kenyans, Cameroonians, a Ghanaian, were laughing and talking after their shifts. They worked in hotels, tourist spots, airports, and all of them got their first job using visa-free entry. They told me something simple but powerful. South America is open. African passports are actually welcomed here. At first, I thought they were exaggerating, until I checked the immigration rules myself. Countries like Bolivia, Ecuador, Brazil, Argentina, Peru, and Panama have several visa-free or easy entry options and flexible work permits Africans can transition to legally. Most Africans don't know this. Most focus only on Canada, UK, or Europe. Meanwhile, South America is sitting quietly with opportunities. From that day, I started researching every single country and analyzing the real paths Africans are using. And now I'm going to break everything down for you, step by step. Section 2. Visa-free entry countries for Africans, 2026 update. Number 1. Bolivia, visa-free/visa on arrival, many African countries. Stay up to 90 days. Bolivia is one of the simplest entry points for Africans. Many nationalities receive visa on arrival, and some enter fully visa-free. Number 2. Ecuador, visa-free for almost all Africans. Stay 90 days per year. No visa needed, period. This is one of the easiest gateways in the whole region. Number 3. Brazil, visa exemptions plus simplified procedures. Some African countries already enjoy visa-free entry for short stays, and even if you need a visa, Brazilian visas are much easier to obtain and cheaper. Number 4. Argentina, easiest visitor visa in the region. Even if a visa is required, Argentina is known for fast approvals, low fees, and quick transition to residency through work or business. Number 5. Peru, visa-free for many Africans. Peru also offers easy entry and easy extensions. And number 6, Panama, visa exemption with a US, Canada, UK, or Schengen visa. If you've ever held one of these visas, valid or expired within the last year, Panama will let you in without a Panamanian visa. Panama is one of the most popular landing spots for Africans. Section 3. How Africans get work permits after entering visa-free. Here's the part most people don't know. Entering visa-free does not mean you can work immediately, but it gives you a huge advantage. You can legally enter, look for jobs, and convert to a work permit from inside the country. These are the real pathways Africans on the ground use. Pathway number 1. Employer-sponsored work permit. Common in Panama, Brazil, Argentina, Ecuador. Employers in hospitality, construction, agriculture, tourism, and logistics regularly sponsor foreigners. Once you land a job, the employer submits a work permit request. You convert from visitor to worker, you receive a temporary residency card. This process takes 2 to 8 weeks depending on the country. After 1 to 2 years, you apply for permanent residency. Most South American countries offer PR in 1 to 2 years. After PR, you can move freely between countries, work for any employer, bring family, and apply for citizenship, in some countries in 3 to 5 years. Pathway number 2, the Special Professional Visa in Panama. If you have a degree, diploma, trade certification, Panama lets you apply for residency even without a job. Africans use this a lot. Pathway number 3, the Mercosur residency route, Argentina plus Brazil. This is one of the most powerful visas in the world that almost nobody talks about. When you enter Argentina or Brazil legally, you can apply for Mercosur residency if you have a job offer, you can show bank statements, or you can show proof of income from abroad. Processing time is extremely fast. Pathway number 4, remote worker/freelancer residency. Countries like Brazil, Argentina, and Ecuador offer digital nomad visas. If you earn money online or from abroad, even as low as $1,000 per month, you can stay legally for 1 to 2 years with renewable residency. Africans who do remote customer service, graphic design, content creation, online business, remote accounting use this pathway. Pathway number 5, temporary worker programs in agriculture and hospitality. Brazil and Argentina have seasonal worker programs Africans can join directly through employers or job portals. These are real, verifiable, government-backed programs. Section 4, jobs Africans commonly get in South America. This is based on real workers I met, interviewed, or studied online. Number 1, hospitality jobs, hotels, restaurants, resorts, tour companies. Africans are popular here because of our English skills. Number 2, agriculture/farm work, harvesting, processing, packaging. Brazil and Argentina lead this industry. Number 3, logistics, warehouses, delivery companies, ports, especially in Brazil. Number 4, teaching English. Even without a degree, some cities accept fluency plus short TEFL certification. Number 5, construction jobs. Big demand in Panama, Brazil, and parts of Argentina. Number 6, airport and cruise terminal jobs. Panama City and Buenos Aires are hotspots. Number 7, remote jobs. People living in South America take remote jobs in US, Europe, and Africa while enjoying low cost of living. Number 8, exact step-by-step pathway Africans are using. Practical guide. This is the exact strategy real people are using to relocate cheaply. Step 1. Choose a visa-free entry country. Focus on Ecuador, Bolivia, Peru, Panama with exemption visa, Argentina with easy visa, Brazil with lenient entry rules. These are low-barrier entry points. Step 2. Book a round-trip ticket. They won't let you enter without proof you will leave. Step 3. Enter as a tourist, fully legal. You will receive 30 to 90 days depending on the country. Step 4. Start job hunting immediately. Best websites, Compu Trabajo, Indeed Brazil, Concerta Panama, Glassdoor South America. Step 5. Attend interviews. Yes, they hire tourists. Hotels, restaurants, cleaning companies, and farms often hire quickly. Step 6. Employer switches your immigration status. Once you get a contract, you submit basic documents. Employer files work permit request. Immigration approves. You get a temporary residency card. This process takes 2 to 8 weeks depending on the country. Step 7. After 1 to 2 years, apply for permanent residency. Most South American countries offer PR in 1 to 2 years. After PR, you can move freely between countries, work for any employer, bring family, and apply for citizenship, in some countries in 3 to 5 years. Section 6. Advantages Africans are getting in South America. Here's why Africans love South America. Number 1. Visa-free entry or easy visas. No long embassy queues. Number 2. Low cost of living. You can live comfortably on $400 to $700 per month in many cities. Number 3. Friendly immigration systems, much more open than Europe and North America. Number 4. Fast work permit conversion, weeks, not months or years. Number 5. Real career growth. Africans become supervisors, managers, business owners. Number 6. Pathway to passport. Citizenships in Argentina, 2 years, Brazil, 1 to 4 years, Ecuador, 3 years, Peru, 2 years. These passports are very powerful. Section 7. Mistakes to avoid. Important. Don't overstay your visa-free entry. Always convert legally. Don't arrive without savings. Carry at least $800 to $1,500 for safety. Don't accept illegal jobs. You need a contract for residency. Don't stay in dangerous border towns. Stick to major cities. Don't use agents or middlemen. Everything is DIY. Section 8. My final advice. Heart to heart. If you are someone who feels stuck, if you've applied for Canada and UK visas countless times, if you're tired of paying agents who promise the world but deliver nothing, listen carefully. South America is not Plan B. For many Africans, it becomes the best decision of their lives. You don't need IELTS, a degree, an age limit, a sponsor from abroad. You only need a passport, a ticket, a plan, and most importantly, the courage to take the first step. Outro. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe to Owafk Africa if you want more relocation opportunities that actually work and don't require agents. Drop all your questions in the comments. I reply personally. And check the description for all the helpful links and job websites. I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay informed, and keep pushing for the future you deserve.